Installation is underway for Made in France. This part of the job takes a lot of time. And while I am mounting the dresses on mannequins, Alys is steaming them to remove wrinkles. Most of our earliest garments are stored in boxes and require some preparation for display. We avoid using an iron whenever possible because the heat and pressure damages fibers. Some of you have expressed your surprise that we don't always wear gloves. There are different schools of thought about this. It is often too difficult to work with garments while wearing gloves, so instead we wash our hands regularly to neutralize acids, and we don't use any skin moisturizers that could transfer to the garments. As long as our nails are trim and smooth to avoid surface picks or snags, most textiles, but from metallic lames, are safe to handle with bare hands. That's it for today. Only 42 more dresses and suits to steam and mount.